Okay, this is my improvement video this week. When we do our estimates, a lot of times we have new dies and we'll put these numbers that look like this where we use an X3, X2, X6 because we're never sure which jobs we're going to get and we don't want to make actual part numbers in the database, so we use these temporary part numbers at the sales time. But what happens is when we export that after we get the job, this is what ends up on the server. And then later on, we turn those into real part numbers. And when we go to order, it's hard to remember which sales part number became which real part number. So I was wanting to fix that. So what I did is when we export the part numbers now, it creates a table on the server that looks like this. It gives you the job number, gives you the sales part number, and it gives you the actual part number that got replaced. So this data here allows us to see which part number in sales turned into which part number on the shop drawings. So now when we go to place our order, it'll be easy to compare the differences. And then one further thing is when we do the new report, the new extrusion report, this is Santana Row, it'll automatically substitute that new part number for the sales part number. So when Heather or the PM or somebody pulls this up to double check which, how many of each stock length we estimated, it'll show the part number that's on the shop drawings, not the sales part number. So that was my improvement this week. I updated the program that outputs the part numbers to automatically store that data on the server, and then we updated this report with Tina's help to substitute that new part number for the sales part number on the report, so you don't have to make that conversion. You remember OCPC where we had all those problems trying to figure out which one was which? Well, now the secret decoder ring isn't required. So that's our update this week. Thanks very much.